Yeah!
What's that? Is that your favorite one?
Yeah!
Here, can we stand up?
Hey, watch, I'll even chase it, Mom. Look.
Roll on the carpet?
No, here, we'll get it. Go get it.
Yeah! Go get it! Oh, yeah.
You can push the button yourself and love it.
Is that your... Yeah! Is that your police car, huh?
And it's a Dodge, too!
We like Dodges, huh?
Yeah! We're a Mopar family. Is that pretty dang cool? I know. Let him push it on his own.
What was that? What was that?
He's winning the box.
Oh, no, another one. Go get his little truck that we got him.
He's got a fleet now.
Hey, girls, you do know that these are Aiden's toys, right?
Yeah.
You got your fleet, don't you, buddy?